Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you the 3D printed mount that I made for the DJI Mavic Air so you can fit an iPad mini in there. It also works with this Power Egg transmitter that I have, as long as it has this style that opens up to fit the phone. Okay, real simple. Notice I got the CL Tech logo on there. So all you got to do is just hook it in like this, and then take your iPad, put it down at the bottom where it normally would be, and then just slide it up in the back and goes right over the top. There you go. And it doesn't move, stays in there nice and firm. And the good thing about it is I can use the original cable that came with the Mavic Air 2 to plug right into the iPad mini. Like I said before, it works with other drones that have the same style of clamp. And again, just hook it in there like this. And then take your iPad, slide it in there. And there you go. And it stays in there. So if you're worried about the strength of it, it prints like this. So all of your lines are going this way, so that's where the strength is. If it printed like this, it could pull apart easily, but since it printed this way, it makes it strong, so you don't have to worry about it breaking when you have your iPad on there. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.